Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check boosters on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So this is my Pony Village, and you can find so many buttons in the home screen. If you want to check the boosters, click to the store icon at the lower right corner of the screen, and here go to the last icon, and you can find the boosters, and you can check the price, how much diamond is. And if you want to use one, just click to the green icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.